So I'm here in San Antonio, Texas, and yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is always bigger in Texas. And that couldn't be truer for this joint I found in 2018, with a few different spots and scratch-made everything. But it's the big flavors that are still driving in the crowds. The Smoke Shack, barbecue, and Southern Kitchen. Hey guys, I got valet here. Just on the weekends.
Texas Reuben, here we go.
I love Smoke Shack. I love the atmosphere here. The food is great.
We got a big dog and potato salad.
You smell the smoky barbecue, you see the sign that guy was here, you know it's gotta be good.
Your brisket grilled cheese.
It's my go-to. It is perfection.
And perfected by Chris Conger, who's conquered the art of the smoker with his legit spin on Texas barbecue. All right, buddy, how's business been?
It's been great.
Cranking?
Yeah.
People love you. You can carry your own in a conversation about barbecue.
You got any more pulled pork over there? Yes, sir.
You can come here and get a nice at-home Texas barbecue meal.
Corn chip pie.
Last time we hung out, you did a corn chip pie.
Yep. It's a staple here.
What are we making?
The corn chip pie.
Make it happen, Captain.
So first, the rub for the brisket, salt, coarse black pepper,
Of course.
chili powder, garlic pepper, paprika, onion powder, and brown sugar.
How long is this gonna sit?
4 to 6 hours,
This is gonna go to the smoker now.
12 to 14 hours.
What do we gotta do next?
Barbecue sauce,
So ketchup, apple cider vinegar,
some water,
a whole mess of molasses.
whole mess, some steak sauce. So here we have our mustard sauce, which has this barbecue sauce in it as well. I'm not gonna tell you how we
Magic
did
man.
that.
You're standing too close to the smoker, son. Wash your
Wash
sister
your
sauce,
sister sauce, garlic pepper, barbecue rub,
black pepper.
honey, and the kicker, cinnamon.
The rest of the industry uses an immersion blender.
Hey, we're old school here. This is a barbecue joint.
What do we got next?
Beans, olive oil, onions, jalapenos. We like it spicy in Texas. Garlic, and some salt and pepper.
Caramelize this down a little bit.
Crushed tomatoes, add our pinto beans to the hot water. We've already boiled these off once to get
Right.
the bran off. Add the sauté, spices,
Garlic pepper.
salt, and chili powder. Let those cook down for an hour and a half to 2.
Don't fill up on chips now.
Hey, you should see how much meat we're gonna put on this thing.
All right.
We're gonna put the cheese on. After that goes the beans.
Yeah, melt the cheese.
Next, we're gonna add our brisket.
This little paper boat doesn't know what's happening to it.
Top it off with our barbecue sauce.
The beans have got great flavor, great texture. The corn chips just add a nice little crunch, but it's the barbecue that really sings. Delicious.
Thanks, man.
Outstanding.
Best in town. I mean, everything from the brisket to the ribs to the sausage.
Half rack of ribs, Bean and Mac. Pick it up.
My favorite thing is the ribs.
Brisket grilled cheese.
The brisket grilled cheese, amazing. Their wings are amazing.
Fresh fire wings.
Give me a rundown here.
So our smoked wings.
How do you do the wings?
Dry rub them. We've got this rub with some dried citrus in it, and then smoke it for about an hour and a half, 250, and then we deep fry to order.
I mean, this is a great wing. Just rendered down enough, not too much smoke. This is the sauce?
Yep. Cranberry pepper sauce. It's got cranberries, apple cider vinegar, orange juice, lime juice, just a tad bit of sugar, salt, allspice, rehydrated chili piquin. Let it simmer 20, 30 minutes. Add the pectin at the end, just to give it a little bit thicker consistency.
Good cranberry. A little bit of heat. Actually tastes like I'm having smoked turkey cranberry wing sauce.
Right.
You are on fire.
Well, thank you. All right, brush fire wings, almost ready.
It's the perfect texture on a perfect wing.
Cranberry sauce, a little kick in it, really awesome.
I'm a bit of a wing connoisseur and probably the best I've ever had.
3-meat combo, brisket sausage ribs for the Triple D Nation.
Turkey and chop slider. 2 sides up.
Smoke Shack's just great, the family feel of it, and the meat is just fantastic.
Sausage sandy with beans coming up.
I've watched him grow this over the years from a family barbecue joint to one of the bigger places in town. Really serves up great food.
You better get here before the doors open because you'll be waiting in line.
A big dog with the potato salad.
Everything here is going to be unique. It's going to be some twist that Chris has put on it.
Give me the rundown. What's happening in your empire?
Smoke Shack's going strong. We had the meat market next door. We rebranded it as a Delicatexan.
Delicatexan?
Yep.
That has my name written all over it.
This is a Delicatexan's take on a Reuben. All right, I got a Texas Reuben and green beans coming up.
You know, New York has theirs and it's exquisite, but a Texas Reuben here is made for Texans.
So it's chopped pastrami because I believe that a chopped beef sandwich is about as Texas as it gets.
Give me the rundown.
Pastrami's brine, salt, the brown sugar, garlic flakes, coriander, allspice, black pepper, some sodium nitrate, curing salt. Mix it up real good, bring it to a boil, put some ice in there, cool it down. Submerge these briskets. These will sit in the fridge 7 days, and then take it out, rub it down, and smoke it overnight. Rough chop. Instead of the sauerkraut, we throw slaw on it, some roasted jalapenos, and Thousand Island. Our Thousand Island slaw. Real simple recipe, equal parts ketchup and mayo, relish, red onion, some hot sauce, some salt and pepper. Now that that's all mixed up, we're gonna incorporate green and purple cabbage, little carrots, and then we'll toss.
Chopped pastrami, texturally outrageous.
Right.
And you really get some great pastrami out of this. I mean, you brine this the right way. You've got enough coriander and black pepper in this. Yeah. Dynamite, bro.
I got the Texas Reuben for you.
That chopped meat and just an extra kind of spice to it, it's great.
You get a little bit of that slaw mixed with the Thousand Island dressing. It's incredible.
So if someone comes in, can they buy the pastrami by the pound?
Yes.
That's a delicatessen.
Yeah. How many orders of wings you need?
Everyone in town knows it. If you're gonna go get some barbecue here in San Antonio, you come to the Smoke Shack.
You're not just another pretty face.
Hey, there's something under this.
Fantastic job. Congrats.
Thanks, man.